Class A fires involve wood and wood-based materials, textiles, plastics and rubber. Accommodation and storage areas on board ships have wood and wood-based materials. They include furniture, curtains, paneling, papers, cardboard and so on. When ignited, they give off carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, heat, water vapor and other types of gases. Textiles such as clothing, carpets, bed sheets easily catch fire. Textiles are further divided into natural and synthetic. Natural textures are jute, hemp and cotton. Synthetic textiles are those of nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. Natural and synthetic textiles burn differently. Chemical compositions of plastics and rubber vary depending on their properties. Their burning characteristics are different from one another. Celluloids have the highest fire risks as they decompose rapidly at 120 degrees Celsius, emitting flammable vapor. Water is the extinguishing medium for Class A fires. Every ocean ship has two fixed extinguishing systems. One of them is water mains. There are fire hydrants and hose reels installed on board ship at strategic places. Class B fires involve flammable and combustible liquids, paints and varnishes. Flammable liquids give off flammable vapors at or below 26.7 degrees Celsius. These include petrol, alcohol, acetone, etc. If flammable vapors accumulate in sufficient quantity and combine with air, then it can lead to an explosion. Combustible liquids give off flammable vapors above 26.7 degrees Celsius. These are heavy fuel oil, diesel oil, kerosene, lubricating oil, and so on. They give off dense black smoke when they burn. Paints and varnishes are generally not flammable, but the solvents themselves are. Both give off dense smoke when they burn. In case of a fire, the source of fuel supply is cut immediately. Foam, dry powder, or water fog are used for small spills. Big spills are initially extinguished with dry powder and are then backed up with foam. Fires caused by paint and varnish are combated with foam. Water should not be used. For small quantities of paints and varnishes, carbon dioxide and dry powder are used. Class C fires are caused due to flammable gases such as butane, propane, and other industrial gases. Degree of explosiveness depends on the vapor density. Different areas within a room can have different concentrations of a particular flammable gas. Dry chemical powder is used to fight Class C fires. Class D fires are metal fires. Metals are considered non-flammable, but in finely divided form they become a fire hazard and lead to explosions. Alkaline metals like potassium, sodium and lithium react violently with water to liberate highly flammable hydrogen gas. Dry special powder is used to fight fires involving metal fires. Class F fires are caused by high temperature cooking oil. The temperature of cooking oil used in the ship's galleys is above 360 degrees Celsius. It is difficult to extinguish these fires as cooking oil has a high auto-ignition temperature. Conventional extinguishers do not extinguish the fire and cause a flashback. Extinguishers containing specially formulated wet chemical are used for Class F fires. The wet chemicals cool and emulsify the oil to put out the fire. It seals the surface to prevent reignition.